flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophet are written on the subway walls in tenement halls, and whispered the sound of silence.